Hey guys, Rusty here, WHP. Today I'm working on this Mercedes E300 diesel. So the water pump went out, and in the process, destroyed the radiator. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is, gave the customer a quote. His quote comes out to like $1,400. Not that that matters, but he said, hey, oil pan's leaking. Can you change the gasket while you're at it? So I said, yes, but let me look up the quote first. Guy didn't want me to look up the quote. He's like, whatever it is, I'll take care of it. Okay? So he thinks that this is just a 1 hour job, but let's show what the what it calls for. When we're looking it up, it is 9.8 hours. Oof. Let me get that. With it in the vehicle, with it out of the vehicle, it's still 2.4. We're not going by factory time, I'm not the factory. But this is why you have to double check, because they don't understand sometimes that the whole engine has to come out to do some of these jobs. So hold your grounds on quotes, guys, because yeah, his ended with a phone call, because I'm not just gonna listen to the customer. So yeah, always double check the labor. Check you guys later.